Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in this video. Welcome back to Afro Lifestyle. God bless you. So today I want to make this delicious snack called meat pie. I've tried several ways of making this meat pie and I found that this is the best way. So I will beg you, if you really want to make a delicious meat pie, stay till the end. Watch this video to the end. You will thank me later. So this is it. I started by adding the oil. You can use olive oil, but I'm using sunflower here on the fire, and the quantity of the oil you're going to use depending on the sauce you're making. So this is the infilling making. This is onions, thyme. You can see I'll put all the ingredients I'm going to use on these fillings and the dough under the description box. Salt, so keep on frying these onions until you get to translucent. The color change to brown. Okay, it gets more softer. Nutmeg, everything according to the quantity of what you're making, the sauce you're making. Okay, so keep on frying on a low heat. And curry, this is exceptional. This is you can skip this, but I love this curry. Just a little bit of it. It gives that sweet taste and good flavor. So you turn. Okay. This is the time to put the minced meat. This is 600 grams of minced meat. You can use 500 grams for 1 kilo of flour. So I'm using 600 grams because I want the meat to come out very well. Okay, we call it meat pie, so the meat has to supersede every other ingredient. So you turn until you get to this color. Look at it. You fry until you get to this color, brown. And I added stock cube. I added 1 stock cube. Melt it very well, mix it very well. Very well, so that all the ingredients will be together. You can't be eating meat pie and the shrimp, other ingredients aside. Let all of them join together. So this is a carrot and the potatoes. So I added water for them to cook. I cover and cook for about 10 minutes. And here is the result. The water has dried up. So this is another secret ingredient to bind the sauce together, to bind the fillings together. This is flour mixed with water, and you're allowed to cook. By now, the sauce is cooked and allowed to cool down. Then I jump into making the dough. This is 1 kilo of flour, nutmeg, salt, sugar. I'll put all the ingredients together. Baking powder. I'll put all the ingredients under the description box. Then you mix all the dry ingredients together. Mix very well. This is important step. Mix it very well. Okay. So I started by adding the butter. Each cup is 250 grams, and I'm using 2. This is important. Butter is another secret of having a good meat pie dough. Okay, so this is a room temperature. I put it out from the fridge for over 1 hour for it to be like this. I didn't melt it, I just keep it off. The weather is hot now, so, and this is the texture I'm looking for, so that it will help to bind the dough very well. So you mix very well. This is the time you can mix well. Then this is 1 egg white and the yolk mixed together. 1. So you mix very well. At this point, mix well. But after you put your water, don't overwork your dough so that it will not be strong after baking it. Okay, so gently you will mix it. Gently you mix it. Don't overwork it. Mix very well. You can see the texture. You can see the texture. Very, 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 very good. Not too strong. Look at it. And not too soft. So if you finally make your dough and you get to this, you know you are good to go. So now I'm going to cover it. Cover it with aluminum paper or plastic paper, anyone, and put it in the fridge for stay 30 minutes for it to calm down. So this is after 30 minutes. I'm bringing it out. You see? Okay. This is the time to make our meat pie. So we started by flooring the surface you're going to use. So you cut according to the size. You can use your measurement, your weighing machine to weigh it, you know, for them to be the same size if you're doing it for commercial use. So look at it. You use your hand to join them together. Then down comes your rolling pin. Your rolling pin. Roll it out very well. Okay, not too flat, not too, big. I'm using this plate because the meat pie cutter, I have some bigger, some smaller. I don't like the sizes, but this one, this is what I'm using. After buying all of them, I now go back to my plate because I was unable to get the real size I want on that meat pie cutter. So this is egg wash. How do you make your egg wash? You break egg into the bowl, both white and the egg yolk and egg white. You mix them together and add milk. There comes your egg wash. So you put the infillings, don't put too much so that you'll be able to cover the meat pie well. Use your hand to cover it, then later use your fork to press it down so that it will be well covered. Some meat pie, after making it, it will buff up. You will see some, fly into another side, this one opening, But after you make it like this, you won't have that problem. So we use the egg wash to do this. What is the essence of doing this? To make it shine and look attractive. Anybody that sees it will be yummy. So remember that the oven will be preheated 10 minutes before or 15 minutes before, 180 degrees, and you bake for 30 to 35 minutes. So here is it. Our meat pie is out from the oven. Do you like what you're seeing? This is our delicious meat pie. Very sweet. If you have watched to this period, thank you so much. I hope you subscribe, give me a like, and share the video. God bless you. Wait for you for the next video. Bye.